I'm back with fresh tips and killer exercises to lose that belly fat in just 2 weeks. No fluff, no gimmicks, just a plan that works for us women. Ready to slay? Let's dive in. In 14 days, you can shrink your waist, feel fierce, and rock those jeans. It's all about smart eats, fun moves, and a few sneaky hacks. Stick with me. You'll love the results. First, food. No starvation here. Just 3 simple rules. Ditch sugar, bye-bye soda, and snacks. Sugar's the enemy of flat tummies. Fiber up, veggies, berries, oats. They fill you up and fight bloat. Protein. Boost. Eggs, chicken, yogurt. It burns fat and kills cravings. Pro tip, kick off with a smoothie, spinach, banana, protein powder. Tasty and tummy shrinking. Next, get moving. Just 20 minutes a day, no gym needed. Try these. Plank power. Hold 30 seconds, 3 rounds, core on fire. Bicycle crunches. Pedal and twist, 15 reps, 3 sets. Feel it. Mountain climbers. Need a chest, 30 seconds? Fat's out of here. Hit this 5 days a week, add a walk or dance, you're golden. Now, the hacks. Water, water, water. 8 glasses daily. Bye, puffiness. Sleep tight. 7 to 8 hours. Less sleep equals more belly fat. Chill out. Stress adds inches. Breathe deep for 5 minutes. Small moves, big wins. That's your 2-week belly fat buster. Eat right, move it, hack it. Tell me below. You in? Like, share with your girls, and subscribe for more. Let's flatten that tummy together. See you next time.